Welcome to another edition of Ask Snappy. I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of Applify. Today's question comes from Charles from London, United Kingdom, and he asks if he could leverage Applify's website builder to create a restaurant website. Yes, Charles, with Applify's website builder, you can certainly create a restaurant. To do is go to our website builder, click on Get Started, choose the design and the template that you desire, add the food court feature into your website. Using this food court feature, you can create that awesome menu that you want to have for your restaurant. You can divide it into multiple categories, you can add the items in there, you can tell them if they are veg or if they're non-veg, if they're spicy, if they're non-spicy. Once you have created this magical menu of yours, you could also set up the payment options that your users would have. We have multiple payment options that we support in Applify's website builder, starting from Stripe, PayPal, or Pay on Delivery. You can choose whatever suits you best for your business. This website builder feature also integrates with your kitchen. Each time you receive a new order, a confirmation is already sent to the kitchen. The kitchen would know that this order has been placed from this particular user. On top of that, we also have a specific restaurant website with which you can actually manage the different orders. You can have a copy of that restaurant's thing on an iPad in the kitchen as well. You could take payments using restaurant's backend. We have recently added processing of offline payments. What I mean by offline payments is if a guest walks into your restaurant and presents a card, you can now charge them using the food court's ordering feature. So you could take the card and swipe it in using the card reader that we are offering, and you could process that particular order for the user. You could also use other features like the photo gallery feature to present the different dishes. You can talk about the restaurant in the About Us section. You can add the Contact Us page where the users get turn-by-turn directions to the restaurant. Using these features, you are able to create your perfect restaurant website, which your customers or patrons or guests would really enjoy using. I would like to tell you that we've already got about 20,000 restaurant owners who have created an app using Applify. And some of the features that I would recommend you to use is the food ordering feature, with which you can display your menu, the items that you have for your restaurant, so the users can come on the app and view them and also order them from the app. You can integrate the payment services so users can come on your app, view them, order them and pay you directly from your app. And not only that, we also have a tracking delivery system. If you have drivers or you're using a third-party driving service, you can integrate that and the end users can track their order through the delivery app. You can also have a one-touch call feature where users can simply click on a button and it dials to your restaurant, so they don't have to remember your number. They can also, using the same feature, add to contacts. You can showcase your restaurant with the photo gallery feature that we have. You can use the loyalty card. What loyalty card does is, after every, if a person spends or comes to you 4 or 5 times, you can give them some discounts, or you can give them a freebie. On top of that, you can have the feature with which they can get turn-by-turn directions to your restaurant using Google Maps. So these are some of the top level features that come into your mind, but at Applify we've got over 300 features that you could use to create a good restaurant app, and that can help you increase your revenue. If you like this edition, then do remember to share it on social media channels like Facebook, Twitter and Insta, and do remember to subscribe to our channel.